Hey guys, it's your favorite childhood TV show, Eric the Bike Boy. Today we got this legit review on this stapler I found on Amazon. Let's get right into the video. I don't know why the hell it says like pencil marks, but I guess the workers mess with it. So next time Amazon, do not ship stuff to me like that. Hey, watch your language. It's a Christian household. Okay, God. Trying to film video. So it came with staples, as you can see, like that right there. Oh no, they just fell out. Let me go grab them. Here are the staples that fell out. Very cheap and unreliable. What? No, I meant to say that they're really nice. I use these a lot in my videos. For some reason, it comes in handy, printing things. I don't know. Let's do a quick drop test on the stapler. So I'm just gonna do the drop test right here. Let's just drop it or throw it. Oh wow, that was amazing. Still clicks. See that? It still works. So I think we're good, guys. Okay. And the last thing I'm gonna check on the stapler is what it all looks like. So it looks pretty pretty on the bottom. It's like a bronze look. Everybody likes a bronze look, right? A spring. It's kind of a bad spring. It doesn't matter. It looks pretty nice, right? Right. Okay, leave in the comments if I should keep this stapler or should return to Amazon and get a way better one. I'll see you later. Pew pew pew. Also, comment down below if I should do another legit review or just suggestions in the comments below. Please comment, subscribe. I don't know if it will show up, but I might make a joke. See ya.